Discover the Catalina II at Meridian Parks, a townhome that combines contemporary design with practical features to suit your lifestyle. The open concept ground floor is ideal for entertaining, seamlessly connecting the gathering room, dining area, and a chef-worthy kitchen. The kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, a walk-in pantry, and a breakfast bar. Upstairs, the owner's suite provides a private retreat with an ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet. 3 additional bedrooms offer flexibility for family, guests, or a home office. Living in Meridian Parks means enjoying resort-style amenities, including a refreshing pool, yoga lawn, amphitheater for live music, and extensive biking trails. The community is designed to foster a connected and active lifestyle. Located in the Lake Nona area, Meridian Parks provides convenient access to top-rated schools, premier healthcare facilities, and a variety of dining and shopping options. With its strategic location, you're just minutes away from Orlando International Airport and major highways, making commuting and travel effortless. Ready to experience modern living? Contact Ben Laube Homes today to explore the Catalina II at Meridian Parks and take the first step toward your new lifestyle.